Good day, folks. Welcome back to Northern Grower Life. My name is Chris. And look at the difference that a week makes. Last week, if you watched my little orientation / origin video about why I started this channel, this stream / river was very high. That whole area was filled in. It's now dropped at least 2 to 3 feet, and all the little rocky islands are starting to show again. It's just good to know the river's down, because it was getting pretty high on the bank here. And where we live is a little bit lower than this, so it would have flooded into our yard pretty quick like. Anyhow, that's an update on how the river flooding is doing. The season is calming down to a nice dull roar. And that's, like I say, that's one less thing to worry about. It's a very beautiful thing to have this right across the street from our house, so. Thanks for ringing in and checking us out, though.